Hi, this is Renato. Welcome to my channel. In contrast with the changes in immigration laws in Hungary in 2024, which impacted many types of permits, in 2025, this time around, the changes only impact two types of permits. The two types of permits are both designed for low-skilled workers. The first one, it is called guest workers work permit, and the second one, it is the standard work permit. These two permits are very similar. They're both work permits, and they are very similar. The difference is that with the guest workers work permit, only authorized agencies can apply for it. You cannot apply for it by yourself. It's always going to be an agency, an authorized agency. The standard work permit, in the other hand, anybody can apply for it. A company can apply for it on your behalf. You can apply to it by yourself, and also, for example, a lawyer or a consultant, they can help you with the application, they can do it on your behalf, they can guide you with the application. You know, it is very flexible. The change consists in the following. So before 2025, up until December 2024, any person from a third country, so any third country national from around 175 countries around the world, they could apply for these two types of permits. So any country outside of the EU, any person could apply for both of these work permits. Now, starting from January 2025, only 3 countries, or at least at the moment, only people from 3 countries can apply. And those 3 countries are Georgia, and the Philippines, and also Armenia. So the list, it is set to be extended. However, for now, only 3 countries. So all in all, from 170 countries around the world to only 3 countries. Because these were the 2 most common types of work permit. It is significant for companies who needed to hire a low-skilled worker. This is significant. The people who are most affected, or the expats who are most affected, are university students. Before 2025, university students who got their diploma and wanted to stay here in Hungary, they could apply for the job-seeking visa, and after the job-seeking visa, they could apply to 4 types of residence permits. The first one was a Hungarian card, but this has limitations in terms of industry and occupation. The second one was the EU Blue Card, which is also a good option, but it has a salary requirement, so that's a limitation. The third one was a freelancer residence permit, which is also a good option, but this is not a work permit. This is if you are going into the direction of being a freelancer, this is a good option, but it has only 3 years of validity, maximum validity of 3 years. And the fourth option, and the most common option, was a standard work permit, which doesn't have, or didn't have, any types of limitations. You mainly needed a working contract with the company that would like to hire you, and you can apply for it. And most people got this standard work permit. And actually, this is the most common type of residence permit in almost every country. So now there is no standard work permit for university students after they graduate, after they have their diploma. Only the three first ones, the EU blue card, the Hungarian card, and also the freelancer residence permit. That leaves you with less options, with less flexibility. That's how students studying in Hungary will get affected by this new law. And this is only an example to put it on practical terms. So all in all, this change brings yet one more layer of limitations for expats living in Hungary or people who would like to work and live in Hungary. Any questions about this law, about this new law, write it on the comments, on the comment section, and see you in the next one.